Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Splunk for security dashboards and threat detection, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Splunk website. Once the homepage loads, look for the products menu at the top. Hover your mouse over products to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select security. This will take you to the Splunk Security Solutions page. Here, you'll find an overview of various security features and dashboards. Scroll down to see the available options for security subscriptions. Click on the Get Started button, usually located on the right side. You will be directed to a page detailing the subscription plans available. Review each plan carefully to understand what features are included. When you've selected a plan that fits your needs, click on the Start Free Trial button or buy now if you prefer to purchase outright. If opting for a trial, you'll need to create an account. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and company details. After entering your information, submit the form. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email for the confirmation message and follow the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Splunk platform. Navigate to the Dashboard section from the main menu. Here, you can customize your security dashboards based on your unique requirements. Explore the various threat detection capabilities available through the interface. Once your dashboards are set up, begin monitoring for real-time threats. Utilize the tutorials and resources available on the platform for further guidance. Familiarize yourself with the community support options for additional help. With your subscription active, you are now equipped to enhance your security monitoring and threat detection efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.